Most jobs in New Zealand require a full driver's license. If you haven't got one, that's the door closing before you've even applied. Kia ora, I'm Muneeb from Social Driving Academy. I've spent years sitting in the passenger seat helping people that thought they'd never pass. Nervous drivers, adults that haven't driven for decades, and people just starting out. Wherever you're starting from, we'll take you the whole way. Right from your learner theory test all the way to your practical tests. No matter what you need, we've got you. Every lesson planned around what you actually need, not a script. No shouting, no sighing, just a calm car, honest feedback, and enough road time so that when the day of the test comes around, you already know what to do. Social Driving Academy is also a social enterprise. Part of every lesson you pay for goes back into licensing people who can't afford it. Because the license isn't just freedom, it's a job, a shift you can actually get to, a life that isn't waiting on the bus timetable. So you learn to drive and someone else in your community gets a shot at doing the same thing. I trained through the New Zealand Army. I'm an NZTA endorsed driving instructor, and I'm a member of the New Zealand Institute of Driver Educators. Once again, I'm Muneeb from Social Driving Academy. Book your first lesson today.